Hey guys, welcome back to JR14. Here I am with another video for you guys today. And today's gonna be interesting. Yes, we are doing some more stuff with the Accord and it's gonna be in that box right there. So guys, without further ado, let's get started with the video right now. All right, so I went ahead and got this inside this box. This is for the Accord. Now, what is it? Now, you guys know on a previous video that I've done with the Accord, I went ahead and changed out the headlights to the black housing headlights. Changes the look of the car. I love the fact that the interior is black. There's some black trim pieces. The car's silver. So, you know, it kind of all ties together, right? But I saw these and I really wanted to go ahead and get them replaced again. Now, if you guys remember, I said I was gonna do Inspire headlights. And to be honest, I have to be realistic. I may not do them just for the simple fact that they go for $400 right now. And the car was for $2,500. So I actually have these different style headlights for the 7th gen Accord. I believe these work for the sedan and the coupe, but I have the sedan, so I know they're gonna fit the sedan. So I'm gonna pull these out and I'm gonna show you what they look like. All right, so I have the headlight here. Now, you're looking like, Jay, like this looks like the same headlight, and it is. It is the same style headlight. Black housing, silver clear reflector on the side instead of the amber, but this is the part that's different. Now, when I did the other headlights, they just had the normal bulb and you put an LED bulb in it, but considering the fact they're black housings, you really don't see, the bulb doesn't get bright enough during the day, and they do work perfectly fine, but this is a whole LED bar that goes all the way to the edge, and it's sequential LED turn signal, so they turn orange when you have the turn signal. So I think this is gonna be dope. I really want to install these in the car. I'm not changing any of the bulbs out. The LED bulbs that I have inside of them, I will actually put a link in the description down below of where you can get those. And there is no bulb requirement for the top. So if we look at the back, obviously the major issue with an LED turn signal is going to be a resistor. So if I flip this over like this, then we see that they have resistors that are built in, and they are wired right into here, and it has its own resistor built in. So we don't have to worry anything about that. These are plug and play. So if I take this, put it down like that, so you pretty much have all the wiring up top. Now this is the part that I'm not really happy with. So I see here that you could see the wiring over the top here. Now what I may try to do in the future, I actually may try to get like a piece of black vinyl to put over this, but like as you can see, like this is a clear piece of, you know, it's just a hard plastic, and you can see the wires exposed. But the hood's going to be closed. It's going to be in the fender anyway. I actually don't think you'll be able to see it anyway because this piece is in the fender. But yeah, I mean, it has a resistor built in, so all we have to do is figure out mounting locations for these. And the only thing that was a little weird was these corner pieces. So if I went ahead here and I turned this, so the wiring is done like this. It's a little janky, to be honest. I'm gonna probably put more electrical tape on here just to secure everything a little bit better. The other side, the other headlight that's over there was more secure than this. So I may put a little bit more electrical tape on this side just to get a better connection. But yeah, we're gonna get these installed. You have your high beams here, you have your low beams here, you have your adjustments, one right here, and you have your other adjustment, which is, where's the other adjustment? Where are you? That's the adjustment for the low beams, the high beams. And I believe the adjustment for the high beams are somewhere here, but where? Unless if this one piece here moves the whole thing, which in actuality, it may just do it just may move both pieces. So yeah, without further ado, I'm rambling. I'm ready to get this headlight installed in the Accord, and we're gonna see if we can make it a little bit more modern. This is gonna be really cool. So without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and get this installed. Also, before we start, I want you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure that you hit the bell notification so you get notifications on the Daily Driver Accord as well as the GTI. Make sure you stay tuned because GTI is coming, more content for the GTI coming out very soon. But I'm not going to do a full installation on this because I've already done that. If you haven't seen that video, click in the right-hand corner of the screen so you can check that video out when I did a full step-by-step on how to take the bumper off, the grill, and taking the headlights out. But what I am going to do, I am going to do a time lapse for you guys. So let's get into it right now. All right, guys, so here you guys have it. These are the actual headlights, and I love these things. They look absolutely great. As you can see on this side, we have the clear, just the full LED bar for the daytime, well, not for the daytime running light, for the parking light. And then once you hit the signal, it turns into this right here in the sequentials. So finally just got finished with this. So this video is about like a couple of weeks after I've installed these, and I'll tell you right now, they're absolutely great. I love them. I love them. They don't look like any other Accord. There's a lot of Accords in my area, but there are none that have these headlights like you see here. So like I said, you know, you got the clear. You can get these with the amber on the side of them, but if you have a black car or a gray car, even a white car, I totally recommend getting the clear reflectors. They actually have some with the deletes, but I kind of do like the reflectors because it matches the paint of the car. Also, the fact that it looks pretty complete now. You know, it looks. My issue, like I said, my issue with this was that this light right here wasn't really doing what it needed to do in terms of being able to show the light during the day. So like I was saying, like, you know, it has the clear reflector and everything like that here. It does on the top here, and I like the clear reflector because it matches the paint of the car. Me personally, I don't like the amber. The turn signals here actually look pretty cool as well. And I really do love the fact that they're white. They're easy to see in the daytime. They're bright enough during the daytime because the little LED bulb and the original ones the other ones that I had just wasn't cutting it. I took my original LED bulbs from the low beams and high beams and I put them right in these headlights, and I'll show you what those look like right now. So as you guys can see, that's what my headlights look like with the high beams on and the low beams. So everything kind of flows together. It all matches perfectly. I will put a link down in the description below where you can buy the headlights and the bulbs and the fog lights as well as the fog light bulbs as well. All right, guys, well, that's going to conclude this video of me installing these beautiful headlights on the Accord. If you do want it for yourself, again, check the description down below. If you want more content on this car, and also stay tuned because the GTI is coming back on the channel very, very soon. You guys make sure that you like, share, and subscribe to JR14. Buy these headlights for your Accord because they're very unique, like than any other headlights on the market. You guys always remember that cars are a lifestyle. See you guys soon.